Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and it's exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, let's not take what Tekashi has said for granted. As a matter of fact, him point out said this has implications for all genres of music. And that's true. And I'm looking on Vybz Kartel and his career, viewers and subscribers, and the fact that there are people, powers that be, who would want to see his reign in dancehall music come to an end. These are methods that they are implementing. We hear an artist jump out recently and I say, yo, every song with the trend. It's almost like him certain say it a go trend beforehand. And this might be the method will take place even a dancehall. Listen to it, Tekashi, after and we'll continue reasoning.
The world is watching and saying, why y'all cheat? If y'all doing this to every artist in the world, how can an artist that works hard get number one? How? I want the whole world to see this because what I'm about to show you is a forecast, right, of what every label in the world gets. Atlantic, Interscope, Republic, Columbia, Sony, Universal Music, every label gets this, right? This forecast, what's today, Friday? So I was saying yesterday. This is the forecast from yesterday, right? Number 1, Doja Cat, Say So. Number 2, 6ix9ine, Gooba. Number 3, The Weeknd, Blinding Lights. 4, Megan Thee Stallion. Number 5, Ariana Grande was Stuck With You. Last night, which is completely illegal, last night, last second, like last hour, Stuck With You by Ariana Grande submits 60,000 units out of nowhere, completely out of nowhere. This is the forecast they sent every label. It puts Ariana Grande was Stuck With You at 43.7, which jumps 12 points. They went from being 5th place to 1st place out of nowhere, right? It puts
subscribers implications for all genres of music, away him say. And as I pointed out when the reasoning started, yes, there are people who would want the throne in the dancehall music, even though they might not have the talent. They must have the numbers. We can make it appear as if we are the bigger artists, the more dominant artists. The ears, remember, we all hear the music that is being released. Who knows, so when it comes to lyrical content, the teacher is unmatched. Who knows, when it comes to just creativity, the teacher is unmatched. What them can use to match up to the teacher? Well, the only thing them can talk about is the numbers. But let's make this clear, viewers and subscribers. The only dancehall single accredited as selling gold 500,000 copies for the year 2020 is Fever, Vybz Kartel. No other artist has received a plaque for doing the numbers. So when them talk about numbers, I wonder if a cash pot. Because I can't the accolades of sales. Because them song not sell. Them song not sell. And the achievements and the awards are sent out after we can factor in the units being sold, whether streamed, no matter where the song is purchased. No matter what, if a digital platform, as long as we can record the sale, we can point and say, alright, this amount of units of this track was sold. So them song now do the numbers. But we are talking about the charts. The charts, we notice them are talk about so much from what year. And recently we noticed this. When everything that go normal, Vybz Kartel dominate the charts. Vybz Kartel dominate the charts. And we're not really responsible who are trend. As I was say, for dancehall music to do well, we need a multitude of artists to put out good music, excellent music. We need everybody to trend. You get me? I say, and everybody need to put out albums too. And let's get complacent so you have a hot song and people know your song and know your name. No. That means he's a star. That means you're a sensation. People know you. You know what I mean? You're booked for a couple shows. You're doing a show booking now going right now. And that goes to show too. The love for the music. The genuine love for the music. That not dead there now. Because the fact this is a time when artists should have put out music. Artists were truly creative should have put out music for the upliftment of their fans. But guess what I'm going to say? The man say because of what take place now, they don't have the inspiration. You see it? Not true visionaries. That's why an artist can continue to put out concepts despite situation and circumstances. An artist can record songs months in advance, years in advance, and still have them sounding relevant today. That shows extraordinary creativity, viewers and subscribers. Track manipulation is the only route to them could have got to try to say, yo, take the throne. Other than that, the teacher still remains as the artist in a dancehall music. And him even recently showed us, yo, we can blend the dancehall with soca and take it there if we choose to. Because one, and him also point out this too, dancehall music and dancehall artists can be featured with any artist of any other genre of music that we know. Because him show with the application of being pop. And pop just means popular music. In truth. And him show us him can mix that flow. Make it that commercial, that catchy, that people can gravitate to it. And it can be listened to anywhere in the world, even if you're not particularly a fan of dancehall music. Him show we say dancehall songs can be added to hip-hop sounding rhythms and R&B and pop sounding rhythm, and even released in the hip-hop and R&B genre and still do extremely well. Extremely well. Worldwide too. Not just in North America, not just locally. Worldwide, Europe, Switzerland. You name the places. And we have the proof, the numbers are in. So, with that being said, viewers and subscribers, this is the new route to them ago. Now some people can say, yo, Tekashi, Satan, Ray and Ruan, you know it gone, you G-code and yeah, but at the same time, I do it again. If I have the receipt, I point out. The reason why he would know, as I said before, the fact that him sort of independent right now. So I release him songs on their own label, me that assume, as an independent artist. And he might do the numbers. So the song is registered. So he might forget the necessary notifications of the placement on the chart of his song. Just like any record label would receive. What my point out is that these artists where he might outstream and out number have strong support from record labels. And he must say, yo, it's hard for an independent artist achieve the major accolades if conglomerates are going to go this route. Remember, there's no doubt more marketing money, more you name it, was put into putting out majority of these songs. Tekashi just outstream. And as I say, it's nothing about the quality of the song or rake. If you talk about mix and master, everything good, and if the lyrical content might not be something you like, or whatever the case about the song, the fact is that it was viewed, streamed and purchased. So we're not responsible about what kind of song, the quality, we're not talking about that, or the artist and his characteristics, and if you rate him or if you rate him not. We are talking about the fact that him do the numbers. And he must show us that him do the numbers, and songs that are clearly not doing the numbers where him do still have a better number on the charts. A food for thought. And we see this take place too. We see songs where are trend. We not necessarily do the numbers as opposed to other songs where do better numbers within the same time frame. And we are saying, yo, we are going this one. So this is sort of an answer for that. And that's why I said it was worth discussing. It was worth discussing. You know what I mean? And sometimes the person who are bringing the message, sometimes it's just the message overall. So the fact that yo, he might put this out there, being what we can consider a platinum selling artist. We are doing it now independently, and as I would say with numbers almost look like him gonna do the big numbers with this single too as well. And now him a show it how it look from the inside when you do the numbers, and conglomerates have songs where they do the numbers and how it might play out. Him say 60,000 units added to a song, and theme song no move. There is no units added, so they must say during the time where 60,000 people go stream, watch, or whatever them do to see that song there. Nobody in the world no look for a theme song. I doubt that. Not even one unit, I doubt that. Something nothing. You know what I mean? So I say, because some people are saying just a vent because of rave, and no doubt they may say that about this too as well, and I say just because teaching and trend rule and whatever the case may be. Them can say what them like to say. You know what I mean? Them can say whatever them like to say. The fact is, we still have the numbers. We still have the only gold plaque in a dancehall music, and until them can get a platinum or a gold plaque for the year, right? Then them can't talk to you. My baby wife. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. Yes, put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Like icon there, close proximity, drop a like on the blog. Comment section open, be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, comment and your opinions. The utmost settings for my winner need no ladder. My sentiments for you and yours are for live, love and prosper until reason again.